Introduce highlight features or overview of electric pressure washer. Rimdoc 3800 PSI 2.8 GPM power washer, 1800 watts high pressure cleaner with 4 nozzles and soap bottle for cleaning homes, cars, patios, garden, driveways. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. 1800 watts high pressure washer is equipped with 33 feet of cable with GFCI protection. Generates up to 3800 psi at initial discharge per CSA internal pressure testing, and 2.8 GPM. Open the jet nozzle at minimum pressure of water flow. Equipped with 4 quick connect nozzles and a soap bottle, making this powerful electric pressure washer the ideal tool for various cleaning jobs. 0 degrees nozzle for spot cleaning, 15 degrees nozzle for most floors, 25 degrees nozzle for all-purpose cleaning, and 40 degrees nozzle for painted and / or delicate surfaces. The retractable aluminum pull bar can make the electric pressure washer tow like a suitcase. Equipped with GFCI plug to automatically cut off electric power pressure when overcurrent occurs to avoid electrical leakage. IPX5 waterproof to protect the device from general water flow. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.